Just arrived at the Urunga railway station, waiting for my XVT to go to Sydney. That's the station outside, and then there's a road leading up, and this is the path leading up to the ramp to the station. I'll take you the tour of the small platform in the Urunga. And there's some signs of remember stuff, all that, and yep, we'll listen, walk up to the ramp. There's the Urunga, a sign, there's a little shelter, there's a bin, and this is the station. That's the train going from Sydney. I'll take you down here. There's a sign, mind the gap, mind the gap and all that. Stand here. It's in the box. And that's the train going towards, that's the way I'm going to go down to Sydney. And that's the trains coming back, going up to Brisbane and Grafton. It's only a short little platform. It's a small little town. And yeah, there's tour. There's a way out, sign, speaker. It's a sitting area. New South Wales Coast Links departed. QR code. Some information, temporary bus services you had. Some upgrading Urunga station. There's the timetables. The timetables here at Urunga station. Toilet. Pretty decent toilet. You got a little hand towel, a wash basket, a little toilet, little handle, little flush. Pretty good. They didn't really have this toilet when I first came here. This has been upgraded and all that. So it's good to have a toilet here. A help point. It tells you, the train's going to be departing in another 90 minutes, like a emergency number and all that. A speaker, a sign, Urunga, 100 years, line 1923 to 23, run by Belgium. Right. Some seats. And sure, there's a camera, help point. See there? Yeah. There's the railway line again. And there's a sign and all that. And there's the train coming my direction going to Sydney, down there, and those are the trains that come from, the XVT comes from Brisbane and Decino and Grafton XVT. I hope you like this tour of Urunga station. It's only a little short one anyway, and